In this video, I will show you how to remove the engine air intake duct in a Kia Sportage. This duct is blocking the access to the main 12-volt battery. So if you want to take out the battery, you will first have to remove this duct. Before you begin, make sure the engine is turned off. Now all you have to do is remove these two plastic retainer clips that is holding the air duct in place. I recommend using this clip removal tool, but you can also use a flathead screwdriver. Gently slide the tool under the head of the clip. Then pry the center pin up slightly to release the locking mechanism. Once the center pin is raised, the clip should come out easily. Now remove the other retainer clip. With the clips removed, gently pull the air intake duct away from the air filter housing. It should come off without much effort. After removing the duct, set it aside in a safe place. This will give you clear access to the battery, allowing you to proceed with any battery replacement or maintenance you need to perform. Once you are done with the battery work, it's time to reinstall the air intake duct. Insert the duct back into the air filter box. And line up the holes. Now take a clip and gently push its base into the hole until it's flush with the surface. Be careful not to force it in, as this can damage the clip. Now push the center pin down to lock the clip in place. Reinsert the other clip as well. And we are done. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.